The latest technology to repair cervical spine issues is artificial disc replacement. Here to tell us about it is Dr. Barrett Woods, orthopedic surgeon with Rothman Orthopaedics. Why would someone need artificial disc replacement?
Traditionally, cervical spine surgery is performed on people who have compression of nerves or spinal cord in their neck. Most commonly, that comes from disc herniation. It can also be from arthritis. And artificial disc replacement is an option for someone who has a disc herniation, which is compressing their nerve or spinal cord, and they do not have substantial arthritis in their neck.
How does it differ from fusion?
So traditionally, we perform this operation, remove pressure from nerves and spinal cord, and then fuse the bones together. Now, an alternative to that is a disc replacement. Instead of fusion of the bones, a disc replacement replaces the old disc, and it allows for micromotion through that segment. That puts less stress at the levels above and below and decreases the likelihood of developing arthritis at those adjacent segments.
Who's a candidate for artificial disc replacement?
To be a candidate for an artificial disc, you need to have a disc herniation compressing the spinal cord or nerves, and you need to have no arthritis. The analogy I use is similar to placing a new tire on a bent rim. If you have arthritis, you're not going to be a candidate for a disc replacement. But if you have a pretty healthy looking spine and have a large disc herniation, then a disc replacement is an appropriate alternative for you.
All right, good to know it's available. Thanks so much, Dr. Barrett Woods of Rothman Orthopaedics. I'm Robin Stoloff, and you're living well.